Hey guys, 4:15 on a Friday, and I am leaving Purnell Sweat. Chelsea's leaving Purnell Sweat in the van, and we got a lot done. We didn't quite finish it, but we'll be able to wrap it up on Monday easily. The translucent vinyl, I'll roll my windows up. Translucent vinyl looks so good. Here's a little bit of footage of how that turned out. And as for the rest of the perf, we're just missing a couple of pieces on the bottom. Well, we're missing quite a few on the bottoms. And then also we're missing a couple above the doors, which typically I handle because I have big, long monkey arms. But here's a look at where we stand so far with this perf job. Normally I probably would have stayed and knocked the rest out, but I have a nice reservation at a nice restaurant that I'm taking my family out to. So I'm gonna get back in time to take a quick shower, head to the restaurant, and have a good Friday evening. My completed project logbook is going good so far. It's about the halfway point in the month, and we are on track to be where we should be. And so tracking that so far has been pretty good. My Mimaki tech is at the shop right now working on fixing the flatbed. So hopefully that's going well. His girlfriend's grandmother passed away today while they were there in the hospital with her. So, thoughts and prayers going out to her family. But he is at the shop right now working on that. But my team is there handling it. And I think the key to scaling this business is getting people in place. And it's all part of the plan. Yeah, I was driving myself a little bit crazy there. Not able to keep up with a lot of things, but you can't hire people too early because you got to have the work, you got to have the equipment in place, and so it's all part of the process. But Denise is handling customer service. Vinny is handling a lot of our installations and sign work and printing and trimming and laminating and all that kind of stuff. We have 2 teenagers starting next week. They're going to come in after high school for 2 hours every day just to do screen printing. We're going to do all the hard stuff for them, all the setup work, and then we'll get them running with it. And one will be loading and offloading shirts into the conveyor dryer and loading them on the screen printing machine. Another one will be doing the screen printing. So we'll see how that goes. I think it'll work out pretty well. One of them is my daughter. The other one is one of my tennis players from my team. So I know them both well, especially my daughter. And I do think that it's going to work out. We'll see. We have a lot of stuff to screen print, so we could certainly use the help in that department. And obviously we still have Chelsea, who is a rock star graphic designer and everything. She's my right-hand person in the shop, and I couldn't run this without her. She's amazing. I also can't run this shop without my wife. She comes in and rescues me. She even rescued me on her birthday last night. Her birthday, we were supposed to go out to eat, and we had a disaster at the shop, which she bore witness to. And she just jumped in, said, let's cancel our reservations and get this knocked out. So that's why we're going out tonight instead. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening to my rambling here. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I can't wait to see you on Monday. update you on the flatbed situation. I hope I have good news. I hope I have good news. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.